Yesterday marked the end of E3 2019, and with several major players missing from this year's festivities, it was Oculus's show to steal, and steal it they did. The company was large and in charge with a heap of new announcements, including new games and DLC heading to standalone VR. Let's dive into all the announcements made for the Oculus Quest during E3 2019. A VR classic has been confirmed for the Oculus Quest, bringing with it all the vertigo-inducing gameplay you know and love. Originally released back in 2017, Ritchies' Planck experience is a staple within the industry, serving as one of the go-to experiences for players new to VR. The standalone release will include Hero Academy DLC, allowing you to master your VR flying skills by competing in rocket races or defending the city and her citizens from a barrage of rockets. Also included is the Skybrush tool, which lets you use your rocket flying capabilities to paint the sky itself with a variety of colors. Ritchies' Planck experience arrives on the Oculus Quest June 27th. No price confirmed as of yet. Speaking of VR classics, futuristic competitive sports game Echo Arena has been confirmed for the Oculus Quest. Set within a zero-gravity arena, players zip around a futuristic environment while attempting to toss a disc-like object into their opponent's goal. No release date has been confirmed as of yet, though developer Ready at Dawn promises the port will feature an experience identical to that of the original Oculus Rift release. Next up, arguably one of the best zombie shooter experiences available in VR is arriving on the Oculus Quest, and I have goosebumps. Literal goosebumps. See? Look. The hit survival horror game Arizona Sunshine made waves upon its release back in 2016, offering users a fully fleshed out experience featuring tight gunplay mechanics, large open environments, and a simple yet engaging narrative. Arizona Sunshine will arrive on the Oculus Quest sometime later this year, alongside the soon-to-be-released DLC, The Damned, in which players step into the boots of a U.S. Special Forces operative tasked with restarting a series of generators located inside a zombie-infested hydroelectric dam. Yes, please. Another intense action-packed VR game, Espire 1 VR Operative, is also heading to the Quest, offering users a Metal Gear Solid, Splinter Cell-type stealth experience. Step into the shoes of an elite Espire agent and take on a series of nerve-wracking missions that will have you shooting, climbing, and sneaking your way through a variety of high-tech facilities. There's even a bullet time mode that slows down time, allowing you to channel your inner Keanu Reeves for a slow-motion Matrix-style shootout. Espire 1 VR Operative launches on the Oculus Quest this August. Price is currently unknown. For a more relaxing, calming VR experience, you may want to check out The Curious Tale of the Stolen Pets. Adorable environments, painfully cute characters, and relaxing puzzles add up to a casual VR experience perfect for just chilling out. The Curious Tale of the Stolen Pets arrives on Quest sometime later this year. No price confirmed as of yet. And then there's Cron, Attack of the Squirrels, an asymmetrical, competitive, local multiplayer experience. One player wearing an Oculus Quest headset plays the role of a guardian tree, using a variety of forest-themed projectiles to halt enemies in their tracks. Meanwhile, an opposing team of 2 to 7 squirrels, controlled via smartphone devices, attempt to steal as many golden acorns as possible without getting nailed. Cron Attack of the Squirrels arrives on the Oculus Quest later this summer. Price is currently unknown. As far as games you can play right now, Carbon Studios' The Wizards, a spellcasting VR game, is available now on Oculus Quest. Players can use their touch controllers to cast fireballs, summon lightning, and harness a variety of other fantastical powers in a never-ending fight against a monster horde. The Wizards are available now on Oculus Quest for $24.99. Those who have already purchased a copy for the Rift will receive the Quest port free of charge. Alright, with full games out of the way, let's dive into DLC. First up, new music and 360 levels are heading to Beat Saber on the Quest. Developer Beat Games announced this week they're teaming up with Imagine Dragons for a new sound pack, bringing hits such as Believer and Thunder to the rhythm slasher for the first time. These two songs will also be available in Beat Saber's upcoming 360 mode, which offers a more complex experience by throwing blocks at you from multiple directions. You can download the Imagine Dragons song pack now for $12.99. No word yet on when to expect those 360 levels. Next up, I Expect You to Die is receiving a free DLC mission available later this summer. I Expect You to Die, Seat of Power will have players attempting to outwit the evil Dr. Zor by sneaking into his secret boardroom to collect intel. Solve puzzles, press buttons, dig through secret research, and escape with your life in this escape room-style expansion. Seat of Power arrives July 16th, followed by another free update coming later this year. And finally, developer Harmonix has confirmed that Dance Central VR is receiving a whole bunch of new updates in the near future. New content will include a dedicated fitness app that counts how many calories you burn in-game, 6 new music tracks to get down and dirty to, as well as a new feature that will allow NPCs to challenge you to dance as opposed to just your fellow players. And that wraps it up for this week. But for everything Oculus Quest, be sure you subscribe to us here on YouTube. And for everything VR and AR, make sure you're stopping by vrscout.com. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. I will see you on the next quest.